My name is Lydia Shaswar. I'm a member of the KSC Trustee board. It was one of the biggest great challenges that I have to encounter in my life. I started to understand exactly what I'm going to do in the training sector, in which direction, how to have a kind of shape to the training work. We decided to conduct a series of workshops on this topic, not only in Suleimania, but throughout the whole Kurdistan. You have not only, it takes the whole process. It's not only working for children, it's working with the teachers. It was working with their parents, the children's parents, and it was like trying to help the children to become the real members of the society, despite of their problems. There was no real diagnostic centers to identify the problem, which kind of disability they. And second, the teachers actually. The third, the teachers, they didn't have experience. There was no training for them. They didn't know how to deal with these children. In Suleimani University was established the College of Basic Education, and one part of it, training the teachers who would be able to work with children with special needs. One of the great achievements was also the opening of center, KSC Center for Children with Special Needs in Suleimania. This recognition is not only important for me, but it is also important for other people, to encourage them to constantly grow in the professional skills in the field which they have chosen. Actually, what we are working for better future for all of us. All kinds of people with disabilities, without disabilities, but we have to create a big, very happy family, contribute to the development of our society, to getting it closer together, to getting it united. Then we can come to a better future. Everything to contribute to, so that the children and persons with special needs will find their rightful place in this society. And that is actually the intent of the work which I have been doing all the time.